everyone, Jared here with Heat Press Nation, and today I'm going to show you how to customize a Letterman fleece using Siser Stripflock Pro. Flocked heat transfer vinyl is a great option for projects that require more than your regular heat transfer vinyl. Siser Stripflock Pro in particular is a thick, heavyweight, flocked HTV with a nice satin-like finish. Offered in rich opaque colors, it's perfect for stylish applications like caps, sweaters, and as you'll see today, Fleece Letterman jackets. First, set your machine to 10 to 15 seconds at 311 degrees Fahrenheit with firm pressure. You can also use a pressing pillow. I'll be using a pressing pillow to help avoid press marks on my garment. To make the application process a little easier, I'll be replacing the silicone pad on my Signature Pro with the pressing pillow. I'll go ahead and apply my cut transfers onto the front of my jacket. We recommend preheating your garment for 2 to 3 seconds to clear out wrinkles and moisture first. After giving your Stripflock Pro transfers a hot peel, you're all set. I'll be adding another layer to mine as a finishing touch. When applying layers, pressing the first few layers for about 5 seconds is enough to get them set. You can save the full 10 to 15 second press for the last layer to finish the job. If you'd like to learn more about this video's transfer material, please visit our website at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, feel free to call us at 800-215-0894. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation. Thanks for watching.